Good day, grade 6, and welcome to this lesson. For this lesson, we will be looking at adjectives. Let's do a starter activity. Identify the adjectives in the following sentences. Pause the video, do the activity, and when you're done, play the video again to check your answers with mine. Let's look at the first one. Remember that an adjective is a word that describes a noun. In the first sentence, we have two nouns, girl and flowers. But only the girl is being described as being beautiful. This means the word beautiful is an adjective. Number 2. I don't like to wear ugly masks. Here we only have one noun, which is the word masks. It is described as ugly, so ugly is an adjective. Number 3. Rich people can travel anywhere they want. We only have one noun, the word people. People are being described as rich in this sentence, so the word rich is an adjective. Number 4. I appreciate the special moments in life. We have two nouns, moments and life, but the moments are being described as being special, so special is an adjective. And number 5. Please don't tell a scary story. We only have story as our noun in this sentence. The story is being described as being scary, so scary is an adjective. So now that you have refreshed your memory on what adjectives are, we are going to look at how we can use them differently in sentences. Sometimes adjectives are not in front of the noun like in the starter activity, but they still describe it in a sentence. Here we have a ball. As we all know, a ball is a noun because it's something I can experience with my 5 senses. I can see it and I can touch it. If I want to describe this ball, I will say that this is a bouncy ball. The word bouncy is an adjective because it is describing the noun. We can also see that the word bouncy is directly in front of the noun in the sentence, which makes it easier to identify it. But what if I say that this ball is bouncy? Now I don't have anything in front of the word ball in this sentence, but the word bouncy still describes the ball, although it's not directly in front of it. I can also say the ball we played with was bouncy. Again, I am describing the ball without having to put the adjective directly in front of the noun. Let's look at more examples where the adjective is describing the noun in a sentence without being directly placed in front of it. In this sentence, it says, "The flowers are so pretty." The word pretty is an adjective, and it's describing the flowers, although it's not directly placed in front of it. The bus is painted yellow. The noun is the word bus. The adjective is the word yellow. We are still describing the bus. It is important for you to note that although most nouns can be described by an adjective in front of it or after it, some nouns cannot. Look at this example. You can say that I saw something interesting today, but it doesn't sound right when you say, I saw interesting something today. Make sure that you look out for this when you work with adjectives. That is all that you need to know on adjectives. By completing this video, you should now understand that an adjective can still describe a noun, even though it is not written directly in front of it.